Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming essentials: your old Gmail address, password, and a recovery phone or email. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data and make sure the phone has at least half battery. Now open Settings or the Gmail app. Choose Accounts, Add Account. This first action initiates the secure sign in Flow. You do this now so that authentication prompts and two-step verification arrive promptly. It prevents lockouts and speeds the setup. You'll enter your old Gmail password and respond to any two-step verification prompts. Use an authenticator app, SMS code, or backup codes as required. Next, when prompted, allow permissions for contacts, calendar, drive, and other services. These toggles determine what syncs to your phone. Once you grant access, make sure sync is enabled for each service and watch the initial data transfer. This takes a few minutes depending on size. Be patient, and don't force close apps while the first. Finish by opening Gmail, Contacts, and Calendar to confirm data synced. If something's missing, check account sync settings and adjust frequency or folder sync. If sign-in is blocked, use the account recovery flow on the device or re-add the account after confirming credentials. One key troubleshooting tip: if sync stalls, clear the Gmail app cache, update the app from the store, or reboot the phone. This resolves most transient auth or network glitches quickly, so you can get back to using your old account.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.